Hey you guys, Cece with another video, and today's video is going to be our first haul of 2020. So if you guys are super excited like me, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, hunty, okay? And if it's your first time watching me or my channel, make sure you click that subscribe button and click the little notification bell. Become a part of the hashtag notification gang. I like to shout people out who are a part of the hashtag notification gang, so make sure you comment that down below. Follow me on Instagram at YvetteLuvsBeauty, and also my family vlog channel right here on YouTube at Bradley TV. So y'all, today's notification gang shout out goes to Shayna Mob. Thank you so much for being a part of the hashtag notification gang. She wanted to wish everyone a happy new year. And if you're a part of the hashtag notification gang, make sure you comment that down below so I can shout you out in a future video as well. So y'all, now your girl. Okay, first of all, I do have a few things here, but your girl is actually on a no spend for January. December was such an expensive month in the Bradley household, just with holidays and all that stuff. So we've decided as a family to go on a no spend for January. I don't care what kind of bomb makeup is coming out, your girl's not buying it. So these products I picked up all in 2019, and then I'll have another haul for you probably in a couple of weeks. Those items are on their way, and again, those were all picked up in 2019 as well. And I know y'all probably rolling y'all eyes like, girl, we done heard you say you going on a no buy before, but no, January, this is the month of new beginnings, and we need to reset our finances. I have so many money goals that I need to accomplish this year. We have so much stuff coming up. We have trips, we have a baby on the way, and there's just a lot of stuff, and I can't be spending my money all frivolously anymore. So this month, we're definitely going to reset, get our goals in order and all of that. If you guys are interested in any of our goals or how we budget our money, head on over to the Bradley TV YouTube channel and you'll see all of those videos over there. We did some brand new ones for 2020. All right, but nobody wants to hear about a no spend for January, okay? We want to see the makeup, I know. So I have stuff from Sephora, I have stuff from Ulta, I have stuff from the Boxy pop-up from, was that early December? Or late November? I think it was early December. The Boxy pop-up, I have stuff from there and just all kinds of goodies. So let's jump right into it. So I'm going to start with Boxy pop-up. I did get a few things from there that I want to show you guys. First things just being these makeup wipes. These are the Tony Moly Taco Pour. This one is the charcoal cleansing tissue, and then this one is just a cleansing tissue, and it's in the peach punch. That's what the actual flavor of it is. So I just picked those up. These are nice little travel wipes if you want to keep them in your purse, but I just use them at home when I'm taking off my makeup. I leave them by my bed, and they're really easy to take off my makeup before I get in the shower. So that's how I use these. So I picked those up. They were super cheap during the Boxy pop-up. So I also picked up this brush kit. I thought this brush kit was so beautiful. This is the Luxie Face Essential Rose Gold Collection brush kit. Not that I needed any more brushes, which you guys will see I have more brushes in this haul, but I saw this, I think it was like 15 bucks or something like that, and it comes with all of the Luxie face brushes. I'm not a huge fan of some of the Luxie eye brushes, but I do really like the face brushes. They're really soft. They always come in Boxycharms. Boxycharms always have Luxie brushes, so I thought I'd pick myself up just a full set. Next, I picked up some falsies. These are the Lily Lashes limited edition faux mink, and I picked up, let me see, all three are in the style Gaia, G-A-I-A, and this is what they look like. I thought they were so beautiful. They're really nice and wispy and flirty without being like overpowering on the eyes, so I definitely love these. They're so pretty, and Lily Lashes are not cheap, so when I got these for a deal, I picked up 3. I got 2 of these Smashbox Always On liquid lipsticks. These are one of my favorite liquid lipstick formulas, actually. They're just I don't know, they're really pretty. They're not drying on the lips, and the formula is just super smooth. Like when you apply it, it's one of the smoothest formulas I've ever tried, and I only have nudes. So I picked up a brown, and then I picked up this like really pretty fuchsia color, and this one is in the shade Deep Thoughts, the brown. And then this fuchsia is in the shade Throwback Jam. So I did get those too, and I think these were like $5. Like, oh my God, it was my first time participating in the Boxy pop-up. I don't know if it's a new thing or what, or where I've been, but I was really impressed with some of their prices. I also picked up 2 MAC lipsticks. The first one being Ruby Woo, and it's just the classic Ruby Woo. Mine was so old, so it was time to definitely get another one. I love this shade. One of my favorite red shades of all time is Ruby Woo, so I was happy to grab that one. And then this one is in the shade Derriere, and it is a matte brown color. And this is a satin, I think. No, it's matte. I just said that. So it's a matte color, and it's really pretty, especially for the fall season. So I did pick those up also. Last but not least, I picked up a regular powder blush. This one's in the shade Diva Don't Care, and it's a nice deep plum shade, and I love these types of shades on the cheeks, especially for this time of year. So I am so excited to use this one. I think I gave away most of my MAC blushes, so I only have like 1 or 2 MAC blushes left, but this was like the first really blush formula that I ever used, and I still love the formula, and I think it's such a great brush. I can't talk today. It's such a great blush formula. Next, we're gonna move into Sephora. I don't have a whole lot from Sephora, but I did pick up a few things over the last probably 3 to 4 weeks. First one being the Too Faced Gingerbread Extra Spicy palette. Now, I've seen this palette going around, and initially I was not going to pick it up. However, Sephora had it for 50% off, so it was like $24 or something like that, and I was like, okay, I'll try it for that price. Definitely has some pretty like warm toned neutrals in there, but then you just get like your pops of color over here, so I do like that as well. Seems like you'll be able to definitely make some good looks with this, so I'm excited about trying this one out. If you guys have this palette, let me know down below what you think. I'm always pretty impressed with Too Faced's shadow quality. I never have a problem with that. I just feel like sometimes I just don't use these palettes, so hopefully this wasn't a dud purchase, but we'll see. I grabbed a new brush head from Sephora as well. This is for the Clairsonic. This is the deep pore brush head for enlarged pores. I thought I would try this one out. They had them on sale during the month of December for like $15 or something like that. So I ended up purchasing one for me and one for my husband, but he's already using his. So I did get 2 of them, and I don't know, I try to stock up on these brush heads when they are on sale, because they can run you $29, and who wants to pay that for a brush head that you're not going to have on your Clairsonic forever? Like, I feel like that's a lot of money to be changing these out every 3 months. And to be quite honest, I don't even change mine out every 3 months. I probably change it like every 5 to 6 months. Don't judge me, honesty moment, but it is what it is. You guys know how much I enjoy my minis, so I picked up this is the Milk Makeup Vegan Milk Moisturizer, and this is supposed to be a daily moisturizer with a rich blend of vegan milks to instantly quench the skin. Micro droplet technology allows the skin to easily absorb the milky, non-greasy formula. So I'm always in the market for a new great moisturizer. So I just picked up the little baby version to see how it works. Brand new to the Milk line, so I'm excited to try it. I did grab some more new products. This is the new Tatcha Kissu lip mask. Anything Tatcha, you guys know I'm obsessed with, and I've been super obsessed with lip masks and lip balms lately, and it comes with like a cute little spatula. But it's just another lip mask, you guys. It was probably way too expensive. I think it was like $22, so I know it was way too expensive, but I ended up purchasing it anyway. I have not used it yet, but just really excited to do so. This is one of those where I would probably keep at my bedside and put it on before I go to bed, or I could use this right before I'm getting ready to put a liquid lipstick on my lips. The last product that I purchased from Sephora was the GLAM Glow Super Mattify 6 Acid Clarifying Primer. So I'm also obsessed with anything GLAM Glow, and so I thought I would pick up their new primer. This is supposed to be all day mattification on your face. So anything that makes those claims, you know your girl's all over it. So I picked this up. We will definitely be trying this out either on this channel or on Instagram. So just make sure you're following me over there as well. We'll definitely be doing a wear test with this primer. It's just so fancy, so bougie. It looks kind of almost like a charcoal like mask or something. I mean, it's just super bougie. It comes with a little mirror on the inside, and then it also comes with a spatula where you can scoop your product out. So yeah, we'll definitely have to do a wear test with this primer here. Last but not least, I did go to Ulta and I picked up just a few products from Ulta, and let me show you guys the makeup brushes that I got, because I did get several makeup brush sets. First being this Eco Tools set. Again, I didn't need another makeup brush, but this was like on super sale, on like super clearance, so I decided to get it. And this is the, what is this? The Eco Tools Beaming Lights Holiday Collection. So it comes with a sponge, it comes with a little stone thing. I don't know what you call this here. And then you get 7 face brushes. Oh no, 6 face brushes and 1 eye brush, it looks like. And you get the powder brush, which I absolutely love. You get the smaller kind of bronzer brush. This is a foundation brush. I don't love this brush too much, but whatever. This is, you can use this as an under eye setting brush. I mean, so many amazing brushes. Eco Tools brush quality is just, it's out of this world, and they're super affordable. So if you're looking for some good quality brushes, I would definitely look toward Eco Tools. I've talked to you guys about them before, and seriously, their brush quality is amazing. And then keeping on with the brush theme, I did get 2 Morphe eye brush sets, and this was from the, were both of these from the same collection? They have to be. This is from, I don't know what collection it is though, because it doesn't say. I don't know, it doesn't say what collection this is, but this one is called Glance Party, and then this one is called Catch My Eye, and both of them are eye brush sets. So we're gonna open up Catch My Eye first. And these are the brushes. So you do get, what is that, 6 brushes, 6 eye brushes, and it comes with, I'm not gonna pull all these out right now, you guys, but it comes with the 167 oval shadow brush, the 429 duo deluxe crease brush,
433 pro firm blending fluff brush, M330 blending crease brush, I love that brush, the M574 pencil crease brush, and then the M321 bullet crease brush.
So that's what this set comes with, and this set was super cheap too. I think it was like $10 or something like that. Then I also picked up the Glance Party, and this one is a 12-piece eyeshadow brush set, and it came with this little pouch. I'll probably never use this little pouch, but oh, I didn't realize they were purple. So they do have the purple ferrules on them. Again, I'm not going to take these out because we'd be here all day, but it does come with 12 eye brushes, and I'll tell you which ones it comes with. It comes with the Firm Shadow Brush, the Chisel Fluff Brush,
The Plain Packer brush, the concealer brush, the blending crease brush, the Pumpkin Deluxe blender brush, the angled blender brush, the pencil brush, the smudger, the brow highlighter, the angled brow / spoolie, the pointed liner, and then of course you get the zippered bag.
That one was also on like super deals, so I went ahead and picked it up. Not that I needed it, but it is what it is. Then I just got a few makeup items. I promise y'all, just a few. This is the Makeup Revolution and Patricia Bright You Are Gold face palette. Like, who doesn't love Patricia Bright? Do you guys follow her? Because I really love her. And just looking at it, I think I got the medium one. I want to say there were 3 of them, and I ended up picking up the medium one, but this is what it looks like. The bronzer color just looks perfect, and then it has this pretty highlighter, and then also this gorgeous, gorgeous blush right here. So I'm really excited to use this. Happy for Patricia Bright. If you guys don't know, she is a YouTuber, and I just love her channel. Her whole energy is super refreshing. So definitely had to pick this up to support. I believe there's an eyeshadow palette too, but I just ended up getting the face palette. Then I picked up some of the KKW cream contour and highlighting sets. Now I picked up a lot of KKW back in November, and so I still owe you guys a video. I haven't used those products yet, but I want to incorporate these products in there, the contour and highlight sticks, and I got mine in the shade dark, and this is how they look. So this is the contour stick shade, and it's actually perfect. So that's how that looks, and it is double-ended, so there's like a lighter shade also. So I think both of those could work, to be quite honest. Then you also get a highlighting stick. So this is the actual matte side where you would use almost as concealer underneath the eyes, and then you have like a shimmery type highlighter also in here. So it's right, can you guys see that? It's like right there. So that's that. I picked up also a new shade of the Juvia's Place I Am Magic foundation. So you guys know I already have this foundation. I've done a full review on it. I've used it I don't know how many times, but I have the wrong shade. I think I have the shade Havana, and so I ended up picking up the shade Rio number 430, and I think this shade is going to match me a lot better. It's just a lot less red than the shade that I have, so I think this one's going to match me just so much better, so I just picked up another one. And last but not least, I did get a refill of my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Tan Sand. This is one of my favorite concealers ever, right up there with the Too Faced Born This Way Sculpting Concealer. This is right up there with that. I love this concealer, and this little baby also came with a mascara. What's the mascara called? The 4-in-1 Lights Camera Lashes mascara, which I have tried and I do really love it, so it did come with that also. So that is it, you guys. Those are all of the products that I picked up from Ulta, from Sephora, from the Boxy pop-up, from everywhere. Those are the products that I did pick up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you've tried any of these products per usual, don't forget to let us know what you think about them down below. And if you want to follow me and catch up on my no spend challenge and see how I'm doing, just make sure you're following on Instagram as well as my family vlog channel, and you'll get all the tea on that. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye, you guys.